Oh, they pulled them out. Okay.
Hey guys, this is gonna be real loud. I don't think you dumped it in a very good place.
Now everybody's trying to decide if they dumped them in the right spot. Okay, the video, yeah, 16,000 firecrackers. Are you gonna light it? Okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna get me a good spot over here. Okay, I think we're getting ready to light it. Yeah, they're still debating on how to set the whole thing off. I don't know, maybe I'm standing too close. Yeah, I gotta see this pile. Oh my god. No, that's what they're debating on. How to light the damn thing. This is gonna be good. All right, I think they figured it out.
Here, shoot a Roman candle at it.
Shoot a Roman candle at it. Jared, just light the damn thing up. Okay, here he goes. Oh shit, here we go. It's lit.